Are you ready to capture every insane moment without breaking the bank? Today, we're diving into the top 6 best budget action camera 4K. The ultimate lineup built for thrill seekers, creators, and adventure lovers who want mind-blowing quality for a crazy low price. These compact beasts deliver crisp 4K footage, extreme durability, and jaw-dropping features you won't believe. Get ready. Your next epic shot starts now, so let's play! Number 6. Euorosi 4K action camera is a powerhouse for adventure lovers. Capture stunning 4K video at 60 FPS with crisp 48MP photos effortlessly. Its IP68 waterproof design lets you dive 50 feet without any case. The built-in EIS ensures ultra-stable footage even during extreme sports. Enjoy a 170-degree wide-angle lens with 8x zoom for epic shots. The 2.4G wrist remote makes solo shooting simple and fun. Comes with 64GB card, dual batteries, mounts, and charger for all adventures. Share instantly via Wi-Fi to TikTok or Instagram. Perfect for motorcycling, snorkeling, skiing, and outdoor thrills. High quality, rugged, and ready for action anytime. Number 5. Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is a game-changing 8K waterproof action camera. Co-engineered with Leica, it features a flagship 1/1.3-inch 50-megapixel sensor for stunning clarity. Capture breathtaking 8K 30 FPS or smooth 4K 60 FPS videos effortlessly. The 2.5-inch flip touchscreen offers total control from any angle. Advanced AI noise reduction enhances low-light shots brilliantly. Magnetic mounts and gesture controls make shooting seamless and fun. Long-lasting battery ensures uninterrupted adventure recording. Pure video mode delivers vibrant, ultra-clear visuals day or night. Built-in AI highlights simplify content creation instantly. With its wide-angle Leica lens, every frame pops with cinematic precision. Insta360 Ace Pro 2 redefines action camera performance for creators everywhere. Number 4. FixSpark Eagle i15 PROMAX is a powerhouse 4K action camera. Capture stunning adventures in real 4K 30 FPS with vivid 20MP photos. Dual IPS touchscreens make settings and playback effortless on the go. EIS 2.0 stabilization ensures buttery smooth videos, even on rough rides. True Audio Type-C mic delivers crystal clear sound, reducing wind noise perfectly. Waterproof up to 99 feet, ideal for diving and beach fun. Includes dual batteries, dock, and accessories for non-stop adventure. Mount it on your helmet, bike, or dashboard easily. Wi-Fi connectivity lets you share epic moments instantly. Rugged, heat-resistant design keeps your camera cool and durable. Loop recording adds reliability for road trips. This camera truly elevates every outdoor and extreme activity. Number 3. Insta360 X5 is a game-changing 8K 360-degree action camera. It delivers stunning, immersive videos with crisp, vibrant colors, even in low-light conditions. The triple AI chip design ensures flawless noise reduction and smooth footage. Capture impossible third-person angles with the invisible selfie stick effect. Flow state stabilization plus 360-degree horizon lock guarantees buttery smooth action shots. Replaceable lenses and waterproof body up to 49 feet make it adventure ready. Enjoy up to 3 hours of battery life and fast charging. The new Wind Guard ensures crystal clear audio. Instaframe mode and AI-assisted editing let you create ready-to-share videos instantly. Perfect for vloggers, adventurers, and thrill seekers craving cinematic results every time. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 3 is the ultimate 4K adventure camera. Capture ultra-smooth, level footage even on the bumpiest trails with horizon-steady technology. Record in stunning 1 billion color HDR for vivid, lifelike shots every time. Built to endure, it performs flawlessly in freezing temperatures down to minus 20 degrees Celsius. With 2 long-lasting batteries, enjoy up to 320 minutes of non-stop recording. Quick release mounts let you attach it to your chest or backpack effortlessly. Perfect for hiking, cycling, climbing, or any extreme adventure. Its compact design makes hands-free filming easier than ever. Experience professional-grade action footage without compromise. Every moment comes alive with clarity, color, and stability. The DJI Osmo Action 3 truly redefines outdoor action filming. Number 1. GoPro Hero 9 Black is a game changer for action enthusiasts everywhere. Capture ultra-clear 5K video with stunning detail in every frame. Snap crisp 20MP photos with Super Photo, automatically enhancing every shot. The front LCD and larger rear touchscreen make framing effortless and intuitive. Live stream in 1080p with hyper-smooth 3.0 stabilization for flawless video. Time Warp 3.0 creates mesmerizing moving time lapses on the go. Rugged, waterproof, and built to withstand extreme conditions instantly. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for adventurers and creators alike. With USB-C, easy mounting, and pro-level features, Hero 9 Black elevates every adventure. Don't settle for less when capturing your epic moments. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best budget action camera 4K, these options deliver amazing quality without breaking the bank. From stunning 4K video to durable design, you can capture every adventure effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to stay updated with more awesome reviews.